Okay, so kind of looking at this. I've been messing around with the Unity UT61E multimeter for a couple days now. I did some research on it. Looks like it's one of the better ones out there for that price range of, you know, 50 bucks. But my issue is I run Linux, and I don't know if you can see this. I'll zoom in. But, I try to use this Belkin F5U109, you know, to try to get this to log with Sigrok, and the Belkin doesn't seem to find it. Can't pick up any data from it, and I kind of took it apart, and, you know, just out of curiosity, wanted to see what it, you know, what was causing the problem. So I measured, you know, pins 4 and 5, which is DTR and ground, and when I measured with the Belkin in the low state, it was, you know, 7.61 volts negative, and when it set it high, when I try to transfer a file, it set it to 7.7, and then I have this other that I bought from Best Buy. It's a prolific, of course, 2303, and the difference, you can see the difference in the voltages. In the low state, it's negative 3.17. In the high state, it's 0.869. So, and you know, when I try to run my scan, you know, using Sigrok, basically it just, you know, times out, says it couldn't find it. So let me hook up the prolific and show you, you know, what I've done with it. So I've got the prolific hooked up. As you can see, Sigrok is picking it up, so we can, you know, kind of set it up to do some measurements and take it out to a file. So I've just got it going out to a, you know, an ASCII text file, and I've got a little 47 microfarad capacitor here. And it's showing 48. So now you can go over here, you know, kind of just stop this scan and view that file. So basically, this is kind of the format that it gives you, and you know, you may be able to, and I did check. What I got here is I've got Sigrok version 6, I believe. Let me do a version here on it, and I believe I have it version 6. And if you can see that, we're running version 6 with the library 0.4 and the decoder 0.41. So this was all fine and dandy. But also, I just wanted to show you something else that I messed around with and finally got it working semi. There we go. And we'll just type it back in. So I'll put QtDMM on here. Run it. Let's make sure configuration is right. I saved out the configuration file. And basically USB 0, 1900 baud, one stop bit. I've got it set to 2000 digit points right here. Odd, parity, and 7 bits, and I'm using the just ASCII continuous stream of 14 byte data frame. The number of values is a limitation on it because it just kind of, you only get 4 values out of the reading. So we'll apply this, and so you really can't see anything now. Let me just go back and configure show some stuff here. Okay, and it will connect, so you can see it is connecting down here at the bottom with the manual settings, and it is showing 48 micro. Of course, you can't see whether it's ohms or volts or farads or whatever, but it does show up and it is working. So there is some hope that maybe they can get QtDMM working on Linux as well. Anyway, I just wanted to show you the communication with that, and that these USB adapters, some of them, they're not quite all equal. I've used this one for years because I do a lot of stuff with Cisco routers and console ports. Of course, they got USB now. So anyway, I just wanted to share this with people out there and hope it helps somebody out. Thank you.